There are 4 places on your property where path lights should be installed. Number 1, entrances. Front entrances leading up to the house require the most path lighting. Putting up lights on the sidewalks leading to your house allows you and your guests to be safely guided to the front doors. Number 2, pathways. Lights should be installed on any pathway that leads to the outdoor living spaces in your front or backyard. Incorporating path lights into the walkways increases safety while also allowing you to show off the elegance that these walkways create on your property. Number 3, stairs. The next area where we believe path lights are required is on your property steps. Even those who are familiar with your stairs can find them unsafe in the dark. Adding lighting to these steps adds a level of safety far better than grabbing onto a handrail in the pitch black. At TLC Incorporated, we love to personalize your lighting plan to your outdoor spaces needs. Use the links on the description below to contact us and request a consultation now.